Those who are right do not argue, those who argue are not right. Great talents ripen late, the highest notes are hard to hear. The best way to manage anything is by making use of its own nature. For all things difficult to acquire, the intelligent man works with perseverance. Manifest plainness, embrace simplicity, reduce selfishness, have few desires. Can you step back from your own mind and thus understand all things? Throw away profit and greed, and there won't be any thieves. If you tell me, I will listen. If you show me, I will see. If you let me experience, I will learn. All things in nature work silently. They come into being and possess nothing. They fulfill their functions and make no claim. As long as we have hope, we have direction, the energy to move, and the map to move by. We have 100 alternatives, 1,000 paths and an infinity of dreams. Hopeful, we are halfway to where we want to go. Hopeless, we are lost forever. People usually fail when they are on the verge of success. So give as much care to the end as to the beginning. Then there will be no failure. Great power, not clinging to power, has true power. Lesser power, clinging to power, lacks true power. Great power, doing nothing, has nothing to do. Lesser power, doing nothing, has an end in view. He who stands on tiptoe, doesn't stand firm. He who rushes ahead, doesn't go far. He who tries to shine, dims his own light. He who defines himself, can't know who he really is. He who has power over others, can't empower himself. He who clings to his work, will create nothing that endures. You cannot know the body by studying the finger, and you cannot understand the universe by learning one science. Let nature take its course. By letting each thing act in accordance with its own nature, everything that needs to be done gets done.